how many reminders do we need year in, year out in order to wake up and to take heed? So I want to stand a little bit over the statement of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When Allah Azza wa Jal tells us about those after they have been thrown into the hellfire, and they are begging for another chance. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala say? أَوَلَمْ نُعَمِّرْكُمْ مَا يَتَذَكَّرُ فِيهِ مَنْ تَذَكَّرُ وَجَاءَكُمُ النَّذِيرُ. It will be said to them, you had too many opportunities. You had many years to take heed, to make change, to wake up from your deep sleep. Ali ibn Abi Talib would say, الناس نيام فإذا ماتوا انتبهوا. The people are fast asleep. When they pass away, they are placed 8 feet down into the ground. That's when they begin to take heed. But it's a little too late now. حتى إذا جاء أحدهم الموت. When they are struck with death, the angel of death rips your soul out of your body. قال رب ارجعون. He begins to beg Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh Allah, take me back, give me another chance so I can pray, so I can do this, I can do that. Right? What did Ibn al-Jawzi say? Tallah, he swore by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, لو قيل لأهل القبور تمنوا لتمنوا يوما في رمضان. If it was said to the people of the grave, make a wish, they will wish for an extra day in the month of Ramadan. Many years ago, I reflected on this and I was trying to understand why, until I came across the statement of Ibrahim al-Nakha'i, who said, صوم يوم من رمضان, to fast one day in the month of Ramadan, أفضل من ألف يوم, it is better than 1,000 days outside the month of Ramadan. وتسبيحة, just one tasbihah, subhanallah, it is better than 1,000 tasbihat outside the month of Ramadan, my beloved brothers and sisters. Right? Another Ramadan, another opportunity. Right? It's a lifeline that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is throwing our way. Right? It's an opportunity that we must take advantage of. Like I mentioned at the beginning, how many reminders do we need in order for us to wake up? So Allah Azza wa Jal gives us this opportunity to be able to get ready, to enter into the month of Ramadan, to do all of these acts of worship, and then we end up wasting it. You know, my brothers and my sisters, the month of Ramadan is a month that can get you into Al-Jannah and can also get you into the hellfire. The hadith of when the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam walked onto the minbar and he said, Ameen, Ameen, Ameen. So they asked him, why did you say Ameen 3 times? One of those Ameens were, رغم أنف من أدرك رمضان فلم يغفر له فدخل النار. Angel Jibreel made a dua and the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said Ameen to it. One of those du'as were he managed to reach Ramadan, right? And he didn't take advantage of it, and because of it he was entered into the hellfire.